guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing my Iconic London order. So a few weeks ago I ordered like a gift bundle set from them and it came, and I am now going to be unboxing it with you guys, which I'm really excited about. So here it is, fresh out the box. So it comes in this really gorgeous rose gold little box with a little bow on it, and when you open it up, it's all wrapped in tissue and everything is in there. So within that bundle I got the Prep Set and Glow spray, I got the Luminous Powder, an Illuminator, a plumping lip gloss and a chrome eye pop. And then with that, so when you spend over £30 you got a free multi-glow. We are going to be going through the products. Some of these products I've used before, some of them I haven't used before, so it'll be really nice to test them out and see what I think. So with my skin, I have already moisturised and I've just done my eyebrows and got some mascara on. So to start off with, we are going to use the multi-glow. So it comes in a little pot like this. It kind of looks like quite like a thick gel formula, but we'll see what it's like. So the way to use your multi-glow is you pop it on after you moisturise before your foundation to give you like a really nice glowy base. It says that you can also use it on top of your foundation as like a highlighter. So as we're going for a super glowy dewy look today, I'm going to be getting the most glow I can. So I'm going to put my finger in this. It's actually really like thin. Just gonna massage it into the skin. It feels really, really smooth on the skin. And it doesn't really smell of anything either. But I actually really like that. It's really lightweight on the skin. It's giving me a really nice glow. And yeah, it's not sticky. It's quite moisturising actually. Love that, 10 out of 10. So for all the next products you need a base, but I'm just going to show you quickly what it's like putting foundation on over the multi-glow. So for my foundation, I'm using my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It's a really nice coverage, and yeah, it's just my go-to. I use it in my kit as well. I'm going to use my Spectrum BO1 brush. So this is actually allowing my foundation to go on really, really nicely, and you can actually really see the glow. So you can still actually really see the glow coming through the foundation, which I actually really like. It's making my skin look really young and healthy, and you can also see how amazing this foundation is. Like the coverage is so lush and it just goes on really flawless. So I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my complexion, and then I'll come back and show you the rest of the products. Okay, so I've just finished a bit of my complexion. So I haven't used any kind of extra products that aren't in my box, apart from things that I haven't got. But I've still kept the look really dewy and lightweight. So I've literally just popped on some concealer, and I used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 20B. For my cream blusher, I actually use the Charlotte Tilbury Live It Up lipstick. It's just a hack I use. I think it gives a really nice finish. For my kind of contour bronze, I've used the creamy concealer from Calvin Klein in the shade 500 Tan. It just gives a kind of bronzy but natural look. So for the next product that I'm using in the Iconic London bundle, I'm going to be using the Illuminator. It's in really, really nice packaging. I love the white and rose gold. I think it's really pretty, and I've got the shade Original. It's kind of just like a really nice kind of goldy shimmer. I feel like this could suit everyone. So I'm just going to give it a shake. I actually love how watery and thin that is. I don't think watery is the kind of right word, but I find with a lot of liquid illuminators they can be really thick, and when you put them on top of foundation they take the foundation off. I've tried the Morphe and Barry M liquid highlighters, and I just find that as soon as you pop them on top of foundation it kind of just takes it off, and it just leaves you with like a patchy cakey look, which I really hate. I'm going to pop some of this on the back of my hand. I think I'm just going to use one drop for the minute. I'm going to pop this on the top of my cheekbone. That is literally insane. So I've never used the Iconic drops before. That is amazing. It gives such like a really nice natural dewy youthful glow, and I feel like you can really top this up and make it like so gorgeous. I'm gonna get just like a big kind of foundation brush and just pop some on the forehead above the brow. Wow, I actually cannot get over that. It's pretty insane. And that literally was using one drop. Okay, so next in the box that I'm going to use is the Luminous Powder. So I've never used this either, but I've seen it and it literally looks so gorgeous. Oh, it's quite hard to open. That is literally so beautiful. To use this, you just want to literally pop your brush in and sweep it across your cheekbones. It's got a really nice champagne highlighter kind of glow, and then it's got kind of more of a goldy colour, and then it's got a nice kind of brown bronzy shade. So to pop that on, I'm using my Spectrum CO4 brush. Just kind of swiped it and dabbed it around, tap off the excess. Okay, so it's kind of giving me a bit of a bronze. I do really like it, but I feel like you need to dab your brush around and not just swirl, because I feel like it really picks up that really dark bronzed colour, and I feel like that could look a little bit patchy. But actually, it just gives a really beautiful glow. Yeah, I really like that. So next in the bundle box is the Chrome Flash Eye Pot. This is the shade Cosmic. When you get it out of the box, it's just like a little pot. And it's got a nice seal. Oh wow, okay. So this is really liquidy. So it kind of looks a little bit like the highlighter formula, just a bit thicker. And they say the best way to apply this is with your finger. Like, it's definitely a gel formula. You literally can just build it up to whatever intensity you want. So I'm just like sweeping and dabbing that across the eye. And then I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. So I didn't put any eye primer on for this because I just wanted to see like how it sat just purely on the skin, and actually it looks really beautiful. Like, it just looks so just elegant and just really pretty. Actually really love that product. I think that's actually like beautiful. I think this would be so pretty on a bride. I literally love all these products. So they say that you can actually use that as a bit of a highlighter as well. So to test it out, I'm going to use a tiny bit just on that really main point of the cheekbone where you want to get a really nice glow. And again, it blends so nicely with every other product I've used, even down to my foundation. Like, it's not taking any of the base I've already got on. It's not taking it off. Again, 10 out of 10. Okay, so the next product in the bundle box is the lip plumping gloss. I got this in the shade Love Struck. This is what was in the bundle. So I'm just going to pop a bit of lip liner on quickly. Okay, so just gonna swab it on my hand. Okay, so it's like a really nice kind of pale pinky nudie pink. It's quite sticky, so I feel like you couldn't wear this on a windy day. It definitely smells like a lip plumping gloss. And it does tingle, so it does feel like it's working. Your lips, the better. I actually really like that, and it doesn't feel that sticky when it's actually on the lips. On the hand it felt really sticky. It feels really moisturising, and I feel like it's giving me a really nice colour actually, so I really like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and powder. I'm using my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. So I'm literally just going to be popping that under the eye and maybe a bit around my nose area. But I don't want to powder too much just because I want to keep this look really glowing and really dewy and really youthful. To powder, I'm going to use my Spectrum CO3 brush. Okay, so as you can see, I literally only powdered under my eyes and a bit on the nose and the chin. And then with the excess product on the brush, I'm just gonna pop it under my cheekbone. I just want to add a little bit more blusher, so I will show you the hack I have. So for me personally, I really love the shade Live It Up from Charlotte Tilbury. So I just pop it on the back of my hand like that. And I grab my Spectrum VO2 brush and I just pop it in the product and dab it on the cheeks, and it just gives a really nice glow. I haven't found any liquid blushes I actually like, which is why I use lipsticks. The Charlotte Tilbury ones work just as well. It's a really creamy formula, and that's why I find it works well. If you use something too sticky or too matte, it obviously just won't work. I am going to go ahead with my Illuminator. I've got some still on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to grab a little flat brush like this, and I'm just going to go top of my brow bone and just give it a little bit of a highlight to define the brows. And I'm just going to pop it on the inner corner of my eye. And then in the Luminous Powder, I'm going to grab that fluffy brush I used to buff out my edges and just pop it in the lightest highlight shade. Run that over really lightly over that brow bone and that inner corner. I am actually, just to glam the look up a little bit, I'm going to grab the little bronzy shade in this palette and pop that in the crease really lightly and wing it out a bit. Just in the outer corner, just to give the eye a bit of a glammed up look and just define the eye a bit more. With the same shade and same brush, go under my eye, just bring that bronze down to the mid under eye. I'm going to add a little bit more mascara. And so to finish off the look, the last product I got in the bundle set was the famous Prep Set and Glow Spray. It's the original colour, so I'm just going to give it a bit of shape. Again, a really beautiful product. This is, I feel, a really universal shade. It's like a little rosy gold glow. It smells amazing. So I have used this before and oh, it's gorgeous. It feels so hydrating. It's giving me a really overall really glowy finish. Okay, so to show you again what I got in the box, I got the Prep Set and Glow Spray, a liquid illuminator, the Luminous Powder, a Flash Chrome Eye Pot and a plum pink lip gloss. And then as I spent over £30 or £35, I got a free multi-glow. And as you can see, they have left me looking absolutely glowing. I've never seen my skin looking so healthy. And you wouldn't think you use like a full face of makeup. It still looks glam, but it's really soft and really pretty. So it's left my skin looking so youthful, really glowing, really radiant, and I feel like this would be the most beautiful look on a bride. I cannot wait to do my brides. I'm so sad about this year, but next year is so busy and I'm so excited, and I really feel like this will be the go-to look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching me unbox my Iconic London bundle. It's been really fun to try out new products and just show you how they work, what they turn out like, and yeah, definitely recommend everything in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and a subscribe if you want to see more from me. And yeah, I'll see you next time.